Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the input function with int function. So as we have seen in our previous video that we can use input function to take user input, and by default this input function changes integer value to string value. So as we all know that the input function helps to take the string data from the user, and the input function accepts only and only string data. However, if the user wants to enter numeric data, then there is a need to use another function along with the input function. Python accepts numeric input from the user in the form of an integer function. So let's use the int function with the input function to get the numeric data from the user. So let's say that we have to take user age, and this user age will be numeric. So in our previous video what we had done is that we have simply used input function and we had asked user to please enter your age. Okay, now with this input function, if we'll use this int function and then we put this input function, so what will happen is that the Python will take input from user as a string, and then because of this int function used over here before this input function, so the program flow will run into this int function and it will change the user input, which is a string right now, to integer. So now if I basically print user age, you will see that the first thing that Python is asking me to enter age. So let's put 25, and you can see that we are getting 25 over here. But as we have checked the type of this user age in our previous video, we'll also do the same over here. We are going to check the data type of this user age. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to simply write print then type of this user age. You can see over here that you are getting class int, and that is because we have used integer function over here. Let's assume that we remove this integer function from here. So we have removed this integer function from here. Now if I run this cell, the first thing that I need to give is the age. So 25 is the age, and we are getting this 25. Now if I take this print function and type of this user age, we'll get str, and again the moment I write int, okay, before this input function, and then if I run it again, if I put 25 and if I run this cell, you will get that the class is int. So with the help of this int function before this input function, we can change the string to integer. So the code line user underscore age is equal to int, and then this input helps the user or the programmer to get input from user and change it into integer value, and then assign it to the variable and store it into a memory. So this is how basically you can use int function with the input function in Python. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.